Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Why isn't Mama waking up?
I asked Baba if she'll be okay. He just said, pray.
Mama always kept this by her bed. It's called Sahifa Kamla, the book of du'as from Imam Zainul Abidin. O Allah, send down your cure upon every pain. Grant healing without delay. Let this be a mercy, not a punishment.
She's stabilizing. Her body's responding. Keep praying. It's working.
Did your prayer do that?
It wasn't me. It was these words. Words taught by our Imam over 1400 years ago. After Karbala, when no one could speak freely, Imam Sajjad preached through prayers, and those prayers became Sahifa Kamla.
Sahifa Kamla is not just a book of du'as. It's the perfect way to connect with Allah when you need help. There is a du'a for your parents so you can love them even more. A du'a for when you wake up and when you go to sleep so you can always stay connected to God. There is even a du'a to help with your tests. There is a du'a for facing your enemies, seeking forgiveness, for when you are sick, and even for rain. The du'a for the day of Arafah is a special one because it beautifully explains how to love Allah deeply. In fact, there is a du'a for anything and everything you can think of.
But how can a book this old feel like it's talking to us today?
Because it's timeless. These du'as are like private letters to Allah, filled with emotions we all feel. Fear, sadness, hope, guilt, love.
So Imam Sajjad was teaching people, even though he couldn't give speeches?
Exactly. He taught with tears instead of swords, and whispered faith into broken hearts. You remembered the book? You never let it leave your side. Now we'll never let it leave ours.
In every age there are storms, and in every storm Allah sends a ship. Sahifa Kamla was that ship after Karbala, and it still sails hearts back to God today.